Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you ever wanted to build a digital income stream without showing your face, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless digital marketing, what it is, why is it growing so fast, and how you can get started even if you're brand new. Make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to be giving you specific niche examples. So let's get started. So what is faceless digital marketing? It's a way to build your personal brand or business without showing your face on camera. You can be on certain social media platforms and search engines using voiceovers, stock videos, animations, or B-roll. People are doing this to sell affiliate products, digital downloads, and print-on-demand items. You don't need to be an influencer, you just need to have strategy. It's all about creating valuable content that speaks to your target audience. Let's talk about numbers real quick. The digital marketing industry was well over $350 billion in 2023, and now it's projected to hit over $1.5 trillion in 2030. So believe me, guys, there is money to be made out there. Faceless content is growing with it because more people want privacy, freedom from coming up with face-forward content, and not always under the pressure of becoming a full-time creator. The truth is, everyone doesn't want to go viral with their face out there. Some people are camera shy and they prefer to stay private for safety reasons, or they can be introverts, or they just prefer to stay private. That's the beauty of faceless marketing. You can still build impactful, income-generating content without being in the spotlight. You probably watch faceless creators already, like recipes on TikTok, the top 10 lists on YouTube, or aesthetic B-roll images on Instagram. These creators are monetizing, but they're doing it quietly behind the scenes. So here's how we're going to get started. What are you interested in? Are you into cooking? Are you into self-care and wellness? Would you like to give money tips? Do you like motivation or inspirational quotes to give? And how about travel? Do you like traveling? Are there things you would like to share? Then you want to choose a theme or a style. We're talking slideshow tutorials, AI voiceovers, or just your own voice? Are you going for something that's aesthetically pleasing, a clean, bold look, or do you want something fun with colors? So let's say if you dive into the cooking niche. So are you going to be showing your hands like preparing the food, or you want to use stock footage? The self-care and wellness niche. You can do affirmations or you can use B-roll. If you're into travel, you can use beautiful stock images with pictures of beautiful countries or islands. And another thing that's popular right now is quotes, motivational quotes, quotes of inspiration. There's plenty of tools you can choose from. You can use Canva, CapCut, Pixels, or InVideo to create content. Now you need to know your target audience. Who are you helping? What problem are you solving? What do they want? So back to the cooking niche. You could be helping busy moms to help with quick meals, or the style of cooking, such as low-calorie Italian meals, or 3-ingredient heart-healthy meals. If you're into the finance niche, you can be targeting women over 40 looking to build income online, or you can dip into if someone has lost their job and how to find success again. And if you're into the motivational quotes, who are you inspiring? Are you talking to divorced dads or single moms? Let's talk about monetization. What are you going to sell? You don't want to just post content. You want to get paid, right? So you have to ask yourself, are you promoting your own digital product, a course, an ebook? Are you going to promote a template, or are you offering a service like coaching or membership? Now, let's walk you through some platforms you can choose from to make this possible. First up, YouTube. This platform isn't just for vloggers or influencers. You can create long-form tutorials, how-to videos, or even faceless top 10 countdowns. YouTube is amazing for building trust and generating ad revenue, affiliate income, or sales over time. Next, we have TikTok and Instagram Reels. These short-form platforms are perfect for faceless B-roll videos, voiceovers, and AI-generated quotes that inspire, educate, or entertain. Pinterest is a gold mine for evergreen traffic. People are searching for solutions every single day. Pin your products, your blogs, or free guides, and let the platform work for you for months, even years. And the last one will be blogging. Yes, it still works. With the right SEO strategy, your blog can generate long-term faceless income without using video at all. So if you've been thinking about starting something online and do not want to be on camera, then this is your sign. Pick your niche and your theme, what product you want to sell, and choose your social media platform you want to post on. Focus on creating content that solves a problem or inspires someone. Please drop your niche down into the comments. Let's have a conversation. And as promised, here are some faceless niche ideas you can start using today. Feel free to pause this video or take a screenshot or just save the video for later. Pick one that aligns with something that you already enjoy or curious about. The key is to start. I got a faceless guide to help you get started with faceless marketing on social media. It's pinned down in the comments. And if you're serious about building multiple streams of income, check out my beginner-friendly course down in the description. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite niche down in the comments, and subscribe for more ways to grow online without burning out.